To set up for the bird dog, you're going to come up on the hands and knees. Make sure your wrists are under your shoulders and your knees are directly under your hips. I like to keep my toes tucked like so. You're going to find a good neutral position for your spine, so go ahead and take a cat and a cow, and then find somewhere in between your happy medium. Your neck is in line with your spine, so not looking up, not looking down, just straight ahead. I'm looking straight down onto my mat. From here, and you're going to imagine a cup of water on your back, and you don't want to spill it. Okay, so keep that cup of water nice and still. The movement will be, it's going to be opposite arm, opposite leg. So I'm going to take one arm out, slide the other leg out straight, keeping that cup of water really, really still. Bring it back. Nice and gentle, the opposite arm, opposite leg, other side, and bring it back. This is a very slow and controlled movement. If you can make it faster without spilling the water, then you try it, do it, go for it. But in the beginning, take it nice and slow. Everything should be engaged, and be careful that you're not letting that happen. Yeah? Okay. If you get to the point where that's not challenging enough and you need a little more of a challenge, then you're going to take the leg up. So now, same thing, opposite arm, opposite leg, keep that water on your back still. You're going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. And again, notice my back staying very, very still. I'll show you a bad repetition. You don't want to arch your back. See what I'm doing there? This is very exaggerated, but you don't want to do that. So it needs to be a whoop and down. Nice and still. Yep. Looking down, nice straight spine. Keeping that imaginary cup of water nice and still on your back. That's a bird dog.